Hello and welcome to Danish Pronunciation for beginners, absolute beginners. My name is Allan and this is the third video that I'm making in a row for people learning Danish, basic Danish. So I've written a dialogue, I've marked some words with blue, pay special attention to how they are pronounced. Words in red is connected to the pronunciation focus of this video. And in this video, I'm going to talk about something that people also know from English, because example, I am in English when in spoken English, it's often reduced to I'm, and it's often just it's. We have the same phenomena in Danish. So jeg meaning I am, ja, it's pulled together, one syllable, and you go a little bit up with the intonation. And you can repeat the examples after me. Jeg glad. Jeg her. I'm here. Det er en stol. Det er et bord. It's a chair, it's a table. Det er en stol. Det er et bord. We are bliver til vi. Vi er glade. Vi er på arbejde. I er, you are, bliver til I. I er på ferie. You're on vacation. De er, they are. De er ikke her. De er væk. They're not here, they're gone. And also in the question, what is hvad er klokken? Okay, I'm going to go through the dialogue and you can repeat after me. Hvor gammel er du? Jeg er 29. Hvad med dig? Jeg er 31. Men jeg har fødselsdag i morgen. Tillykke med det. Hvor gammel er du? Jeg er 29. Hvad med dig? Jeg er 31. Men jeg har fødselsdag i morgen. Tillykke med det.